In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoices as paid in Xero. This is a really important task for keeping your accounts accurate and up to date, and it also helps you quickly see which customers still owe you money and which invoices are all settled. Let's start from the Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, look along the top menu for the option labeled Business or Sales, depending on your setup. Click on Sales. This area gathers everything related to the money coming into your business, so it's where your invoices live. After you open the sales section, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Invoices. This will take you to a list of all your sales invoices, including those that are drafted, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid. What we want to focus on is the list of invoices that are still outstanding. Near the top of the Invoices page, you'll see different status tabs. Find and click on the tab called Awaiting Payment. This filters your invoices so you're only looking at those that have been approved and sent but haven't yet been recorded as paid in Xero. From this Awaiting Payment list, look for the specific invoice that your customer has now paid. You can scroll through the list or use the search box or filters if you have many invoices. Once you've found the correct one, click on the invoice number or the invoice line itself to open it. Always take a second to double check you've selected the right invoice, especially the customer name, date, and amount. With the invoice open, look for the button or link that says Add Payment. Click on Add Payment to bring up the payment entry form. This is where you'll tell Xero how and when this invoice was paid. In the Payment Details window, fill in the key information. Choose the bank account where the money was received, enter the date the payment actually arrived, and type in the amount paid. Usually this will be the full invoice amount, but if it was only a part payment, enter the partial amount. You can also add a reference or note if you want to keep track of things like payment method or receipt numbers. When you're happy that the details are correct, click on Add. Xero will now mark that invoice as paid or partly paid, update your reports, and move it out of the awaiting payment list.